All right, guys. So here is what stuff we're gonna have. Is some. So this chicken salad is something that has been done through the family, aunts, uncles. My parents do this, especially during summer when we go camping. This is stuff that somebody always brings. I always love it when they bring it. 'Cause I like it. These tostadas are gonna be the bomb, and I know you guys are gonna like it. So here I have three nice sized chicken breasts. The rub of choice that we're gonna be using is from Meat Church Holy Voodoo. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and season these with some nice Meat Church rub. So let's go ahead and add it all the way on top. Um, this rub is really good, and so I figured I add this with the chicken because it's going to be really good. You want to make sure you guys do both sides of this chicken. Add a nice amount of rub. The whole thing is we're going to cook it and then we're going to shred it. And then I'll show you guys what else we're going to be using with this. All right, so pretty much what we're going for is something quick and fast. So we're gonna have our Traeger grill at 350 degrees. That's how we're gonna roll today, at 350 degrees. So that being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger is at 350 degrees, 350. Let's add, bam, look at that. We'll be back. All right, so now that our chicken is done, so now this is stuff that you need to finish this off is some chopped lettuce. Okay, we're gonna need some mayonnaise. Okay, we're gonna mix all that up. Now we're probably gonna add a little bit more rub on that. And we have our tostadas that we're gonna be using for it. Now, let me tell you guys this is really good. And this is something you guys might want to try. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these cool down a little bit because they're a little bit hot. And then we're gonna start to shred them up. So let's see if we can try to get this chicken. Look at all this juices of this chicken. So this is something cheap that you can make a lot of it, and it's really good. So now that I have the chicken all shredded up, I'm gonna do the same on. I think I'm gonna use two breasts, um, and then we'll be back. All right. So now that our chicken is nice and shredded, you know, taste one. Mm. I'm gonna have our bowl. Damn, it's good. It's really good. Mm. Put it all in our bowl. Okay. Now I put our chopped lettuce in there. Give it a good mix. So this is almost half of uh, of lettuce that I chopped up. So it's going to be nice and meaty because it doesn't seem a lot. All right. Now we're going to add some mayonnaise. So you just want to add enough to give it a coat, to cover the whole thing, to get everything that has some mayonnaise. Not a lot. So you start off small, and then you just mix it up. Mix it well. Now some people may be like, "Oh my God, it's mayonnaise and that." Believe me, guys, this you're gonna like it. You got to make sure everything has it. Now, if it seems like it's a little dry, add a little bit more mayonnaise. So it seems like it's nice and covered. So it was about, what was that? Three scoops, maybe 4 scoops. Now we're gonna add a little bit of our holy voodoo. Just a little bit, not a lot. All right. So I don't need to add no more mayonnaise. Everything's covered in it. And can't forget some Valentina sauce, hot sauce. This can come up top when you put them on your tostada. Grab 2. What are you gonna do? Just gonna put it on top. All right, however much you want. We gotta start off with 2. So then normally once you do this, you put them in the fridge and you eat it cold. And that's how we take it to our campsites or wherever we go to the park. We do this. We have both of them in there. We're gonna add our Valentina right on top. Put as much as you want. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now, if you like tapatio, you can use tapatio. Now, what I like to do also is I like to have the jalapeno pickles ones, and I add jalapenos on top. Um, or they make two, one for the kids, one for adults. They add jalapenos in them, mix them up. I like it like that too. Now, you guys ready to try this? Mm, I like this. Mm-mm-mm. In my opinion, it's better when it's cold. So the moment you finish, put it in the fridge, and if you're taking it to a party, or something, just throw it in the fridge, wait for it's ready. You're having a party, throw it in the fridge, and then bring it out when it's ready. You don't need to warm it up at all. No, do not warm it up. This is something that you eat cold. So right now it's a little warm because of the chicken, but normally I will just put it in the fridge and wait a couple hours. I'm ready to eat. But this came out great, and I know you guys are gonna like it. I will see you guys next time.